Hey TikTok creators! If you're like me, you've got a ton of half-finished videos sitting in your drafts, just waiting to shine. In this video, we'll walk through how to view those drafts on TikTok in 2025, with all the latest updates making it super straightforward. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this quick guide will have you managing your content like a boss. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the most up-to-date TikTok app installed on your phone or device. TikTok rolls out updates frequently in 2025, so head to your app store, search for TikTok, and hit update if needed. Once that's done, open the app and log into your account. Now, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to your personal profile page, where all your TikTok activity is centralized. In 2025, TikTok has enhanced its interface with a new Creator Hub feature. Look for the icon that looks like a camera with a plus sign, usually right at the top. Tap into the Creator Hub, and you'll see a menu of tools for content creators. Scroll down or look for the Drafts section. It's prominently featured now, thanks to user feedback. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all your saved drafts, complete with thumbnails, timestamps, and even AI-suggested edits based on trending sounds. From here, you can tap on any draft to preview it, make quick edits like adding effects or music, or delete it if it's not up to par. Pro tip: TikTok's 2025 auto-save feature means your ideas are always safe, even if the app crashes. And if you're accessing TikTok from a computer, just go to TikTok.com, log in, and navigate to your profile settings. Drafts are right there under the Content Library tab. There you have it. Viewing and managing your drafts on TikTok in 2025 is easier than ever. This feature is a game changer for keeping your creative flow going. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.